Welcome, everyone. So here we have Lightning McQueen and all of his friends. There he is, Lightning McQueen himself and the lovely Mack. What a beautiful truck he has. So, today we're going to be driving Lightning McQueen and all of his friends into a massive bowl of water. And there we go, splash! Oh, look at those bubbles. Here we have Jackson Storm, Lightning McQueen's nemesis, and up he goes, and splash! Ooh, great bubbles again. Good old Sheriff, who will be joining the other two. Up he goes, and whoosh! Here in the number 42, Dynaco, in a lovely shade of blue. Look at those wheel motions. Up he goes, and in. Oh, he's a floater. Then we have number 24, who's a beautiful light green. Up, 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 and in he goes. Oh, he's kind of a floater and a sinker. Then we have a bigger Sheriff. Driving along, again, good wheel motion. And up he goes, splash! Here we have Tomato in brown. Wonderful looking color. Lightning McQueen's best friend, and in he goes. Here we have main man himself, Lightning McQueen, the fastest car around, number 95. And with lightning speed, in he goes. Now for Mack, driving along nicely. And up, 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 and in he goes. Beautiful. We hope you all enjoyed watching Lightning McQueen and his friends take a swim. Now you'll see it all in reverse to some light music. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.